2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, fog lights, MP3 capability, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, HD radio, brake assist, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.